So what is Smart APC, or Smart Advanced Process Control? Some of you in the industry which are listening and do controls currently say, well, but my controls are smart. I mean, they're full of adjusted set points. They react to the machines. They correct errors. The thing is, most control systems implemented in industry are actually based on rules. Sorba's advanced process control is based on data, and that makes a big difference into how we're finding the improvements in energy performance. So what the SDE does, you have your standard process, which is talking to your PLC, then goes to your OP server, your SCADA, or your historian. And you have rules and which are either processed here or directly on the PLCs, which write set points to your processes. What Sorba does, it puts an extra control layer over your existing control layer and takes in the process data into our real-time data acquisition application. And that brings it into a database that allows for visualization, for cloud integration as an option, and then sends the data set into the automatic machine learning trainer. There, when you've collected enough data, you can train your models, and this downloads a weight matrix, okay, into your data acquisition real-time engine, which then receives the process and predicts the set points in real time, brings them back to your server, and is constantly adjusting your set points, okay, for your control variables, so that your process is working in real time. So to implement an advanced process control, an APC solution, you have to pick an asset. You have to determine of your asset what you can actually control. And then you got to build a heuristic. So you got to see what is your optimization variable or your optimization metric. What is your objective function if you're going to maximize or minimize your optimization metrics or reach a particular target. Your independent variable, which is then a system boundary. And then once you've done that, which is already quite difficult, and you want to do it with an AI solution, your nightmare starts. You got to determine your constraints. You got to program your tags and scripts. You got to collect your data, condition it, create your models, create your dashboards, verify your set point predictions, close the loop, validate your results. Now, what's really neat and empowering about Sorba is that steps 4 to 11 are really easy to do. And that is a game changer. So very quickly, you can implement AI solutions that can be applied all over industry. And we have now many successful examples in the refrigeration space. We have boilers and heaters, kilns, filters, membranes, heat exchangers, compressors, turbines, in the transport systems, solving in real time the random walk problem. There is a whole area of application which allows leveraging expertise that exists in each of these companies and empowering them with analytics and a powerful analytics tool that is simple to use, which can then bring a data-driven set point real-time optimization to your operational assets.